Hi, I'm Chris Catterton, a solutions expert on the C2M team.
I'm Jiwoo, the lead designer of the C2M Cloud Connector on Meshlium.
Today we're going to have a look at the capabilities of C2M and how to synchronize data from these devices to the C2M Cloud. Now, Ji, can you tell us what these devices are?
Sure, my pleasure. Here we have the Meshlium agriculture kit and the IoT Gateway Meshlium, and also this small wasp mode, we're going to use it to sense the temperature, light, and the battery level. So let's connect this device to the Meshlium and check how C2M Cloud Connector works. First, let's open the Meshlium web management page and log in the system. Before going to the C2M Cloud Connector, let's check the data sent from our wasp mode device via XD protocol. Well, here you can see our node C2M_01, which provides battery level, luminosity, and temperature. Now we go to the Cloud Connector page and choose IoT platforms. Click on C2M and then you will see this Login tab. You need to use your C2M username and password to log in the system for further operations. If you don't have an account, simply click here to sign up one. Now let me type in my username and password. Okay, after successfully logged in, click the Onboard tab to continue. As you can see, our C2M Cloud Connector recognizes 3 nodes and their sensor parameters from the system database. Click on the plus button to register your device to the C2M Cloud and then switch the button on to enable the channel. Once finished, go to the Data Transfer tab to synchronize your data with C2M. This drop-down menu lets you select different protocols from TCP, MQTT, and HTTPS. Switch this button on to start data synchronizing. After a few seconds processing, click on the Confirm to save your configuration. In the meantime, you can onboard more channels and devices to the C2M Cloud from this connector. Please switch on the button to enable your channel after onboard. Here comes up the new node. It is also very convenient to disable or delete a channel from the Cloud Connector. By the way, please always remember to go to the Data Transfer tab and confirm your changes and settings. If you encounter any problems or issues, please feel free to send us your feedback. And you may find more detailed tutorials by checking our website. Okay, now you are all set. Let's go to the C2M Cloud and see our advanced capabilities.
Now we are in the C2M Cloud. Here, under Public Things, is where you can connect to data sources. You can import spreadsheets, connect to databases, connect to devices, or APIs. And of course, connect to the Meshlium. Under My Things is where you will see all of the data sources you have. As G mentioned earlier, the node C2M_01 has automatically been onboarded using the C2M Cloud Connector. We can click this link to see the raw data coming in from the device. Under Data Widgets, we can see this data streaming in real time. And also, we can create analytics in this section as well. So let's go to the Advanced Query Builder. Here is where you can go to analyze your data. You'll select your data source, drag and drop the data source into the grid, and start making your analytics. You can match various data sources and also create the query in the back. You can set the policy for how often you want this feed to refresh. Next, let's create some dashboards. We can set the canvas size and go into edit mode. On the left-hand side, there are hundreds of widgets that you can drag into the canvas. Simply drag and drop and connect to your data sources. There are other videos to show you how to do this in the channel. You can create beautiful dashboards such as these, from smart city dashboards to many others. You can also create complex workflows. These workflows can automate your processes based on the data that is coming in from the various data sources you have. You can customize the views that you have. All of the workflows can be created in a drag and drop designer. So that's all we have for today.
Thank you for watching.
And if you have any questions, please refer to the contact info below.